friends, today I'm going to teach you how to make the cross. In the last video, we learned how to make the daisy. So if you didn't watch, so watch now before you watch this video. So when you made the daisy, you look for white edge piece. It's here. So what color is with it? It's orange. So I move it. It didn't get connected because this is orange and this is red. Another time, nope. Green, orange. Another time, orange, white. So now it's connected. We'll turn this 180 degrees, which is called turning a face 2 times. Now, you see, this is gone, but look, you've connected one white piece, but also did this. So, make sure you do this. Okay, another white piece, which is blue. I turn the face. 1 time, nope. Twice, nope. Thrice, blue, blue. So we turn this face 180 degrees. Connected and connected. So pretty much same. Green. 1 time we turn, blue, no. Another time, nope. Yes, no. We turn this 180 degrees, just turn a face 2 times. Now here it's connected. Now this time we'll connect this. So we move it 1 time, but it's already connected. So we'll turn this face 180 degrees. So now a cross is made. Also this happens. You can look. And one thing, if this doesn't happen, you have to skip this and do it again. So I hope you enjoy making the cross. And in the next video, I'll teach you how to make the first layer. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like,